Yo, what is up, crypto crew? Welcome back to a brand new cryptocurrency video. Hope you guys are doing well, staying safe out there, and having a blessed time. So without further ado, in today's video, what I'm going to be talking to you guys about is aluna.social. Basically what it is you have people. So majority, sometimes it's bots, but usually they're real people. So what they do is they link their exchange, so you can connect your exchange. I think so you have Binance, Bitfinex, Bittrex, and Poloniex. So you link it through an API key, and whatever you do on there, it matches it on this aluna.social. So how to utilize this to actually make money, which is amazing. So I'm just gonna show you how to do that, and along with how this website works and how you guys can maneuver around it. So basically, if you guys want to, I'll leave a link to it down below. If you guys want to get started with this, it's completely free. You just have to create an account, and that's it. Like, that's all I did, and I just monitor this throughout my day. So starting off, you can see best trades and worst trades. So let's see if we do BTC USD. So this is a long position. So basically, this is the best trade that someone has had today or so far. So this was the trade. So they opened a BTC long position, and as you can see, other people can comment on it, and it shows where they opened the position. So it looks like they opened it right here. I don't know so they opened it April 22nd. So back over here. So they opened this right here, and this is completely free to the public. So if you would have copied his trade, you would have been able to make I don't have my thing right here, but you would have been able to make this percentage, which is amazing. So what you can do, which is awesome, is, so he had this open position. So if you want, you can click on his profile, and if you click on his profile, you can see everything that he's doing. So if you do, you can see his open positions currently and his closed positions, and then what you can do is click see trade history, and once you do that, you can see everything that they do. So if we do BTC, we can see these are everything that he's opened and closed, and the percentage change he had. So we can see he shorted it, he ended up losing money, and then for the most part, he's pretty average, this particular trader, but he's had one big day, 33%. So what you could do is, based off, you can find a couple people, and if they seem to be very reliable, you can copy their trade. Now, I don't have my exchange link to it, but all you have to do, I'm pretty sure, you just click copy, and it should execute the trade on your behalf, because it's linked to your API key, and you can copy this trade that he has. All you have to do is click copy position, and you can copy it. Now, the other thing you can do is, let's go back and let's see some other trades here. So if we go to ETH, for example, let's say he had let's say this day he was down almost 10%. He didn't have a good trade. What you could do is counter copy it. So if you see, for the most part on ETH, he has this is not that good of an example, because he has pretty good days for ETH, but for the most part, he has a lot of red days for ETH. So what you can do is counter copy his. So what you do is just click counter copy, and it will do the exact opposite. So he shorted ETH, you would be longing ETH. So his 9% loss that he had, you would have had a 10% gain, which is crazy. And if you go to the main thing, they have this whole main forum right here on the insights page, and you can see everyone who's taking positions, and you can just trade using that information. And I think these are the most follows, one man at a time. They're constantly talking about it, which is like an awesome social platform. He has he has 1,100 followers. You can see his positions. He's been long 115, short 58, so he's pretty much bullish on the market. And like these, you can just counter copy these, or like if you don't want to link your API keys, just monitor it, and whenever you see someone executing a trade or doing something, all you have to do is just go to your exchange and do it. So like this one, an hour ago, Arbitral opened a BTC short position. So what you can do is go to his profile and see how reliable it is. So you can see his trade history and how he's doing. So he opened a BTC position. All we have to do is type in BTC and see how he is with BTC. So as we can see, for the most part, he has very minimal gains. Nothing too crazy. 0.08. He's short. He's kind of short some at some trades, but for the most part he's pretty average. So it's up to you if you would take this trade. I personally would not take it because, you know, there wasn't much gains, but there's a whole bunch of other people. So you can see for the most part this person executed quite a bit of trades. And there's a whole bunch of other people, and other people just, you know, put in what they're saying, which is awesome. You have the top gainers and losers. This is just like an awesome little social app that you can follow along and see what other people are doing. And so this is so this is the bot that's saying that they're doing this. So the API key that aluna.social has through their exchange. So this is definitely an awesome thing. As I personally haven't connected my exchange because the exchange I use to trade, it's not on here. I use Phoenix, but they don't have that on here. So for the most part, I've just been monitoring and see what people are doing. And if you're on here for a while, you can start to get a gauge of what people are what the most traders are doing. Now this doesn't have, you know, a lot of people behind it yet, but you know, if a lot of people are, so you got a couple shorts, but if like, okay, so right now this is all one person, but let's say we have multiple different people all shorting it, you know, that would be a good idea to short the crypto price, because if more than one person is thinking about it, you know, it might be reliable. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video on aluna.social. Like I said, I'll leave a link to it down below. It's completely free. You just create an account and you can, you know, see exactly what everyone's doing. You can follow people. It's like a social media app, which is awesome. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share this with you guys if you guys are interested. As I said, it's definitely a unique thing you guys can use. And like I said, you guys don't have to use it if you guys are doing your own thing, so be it. But if you just want more exposure to what other people are doing, this is an awesome website for it. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys made it this far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and just make sure you hit the bell notification icon so you know next time I post. But other than that, as always, you guys keep hustling.